Hi guys! I don't really know where to start with this vlog. Basically, we're in quarantine. I think I've been in quarantine for about 9 days now. Matt's done a week. And we are slowly but surely losing our minds. I'm literally just cleaning, organising and decluttering every room in the house. That's how I'm getting through this. Yeah, it's mad, scary, unknown times, but I thought I would just kind of show you. I've just realised like I've just done everything and I've not filmed it, but I thought I'd just show you the after anyway. And then maybe just continue this into like a week-long quarantine vlog, self-isolation vlog. Literally, I've got no makeup on, I've just had a shower. I literally haven't looked at my eyebrows in about a month. So they're looking fun. I thought I would just show you what we're getting up to, yeah, in this vlog. So basically I'm just tidying up Did's room. I gave it a really good deep clean yesterday, like took everything out of the room and just dusted, disinfected everything. Now I'm just going through his clothes, and tomorrow I'm going to go through this, or today at some point. Look at that. That's horrendous. That's really, really bad, but I'm getting through it. I'm getting through it. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing at some point today or tomorrow. Also, it's full of baby things, so we will be, yeah, getting all the new baby things sorted. I mean, it's only March and, you know, the baby's not going to be born till September, but I thought I might get some of the clothes out because we don't know what we're having. I thought I would just get all the unisex clothes out of storage, and put them away, and then basically vacuum pack all the really like boyish stuff, put it away, and then if we do have a boy, then we can just get it back out again. Because at the moment his clothes, he's got so many boxes in that wardrobe and they're full to the brim. So to obviously reduce size and space of the clothes, I want to vacuum pack them. But I'm not going to vacuum pack everything if I've got to get it out in a few months. So yeah, I thought I would just take out the unisex bits and start from there. So I've literally just finished folding all his clothes. I've just sorted through things that he's too small for. I did clean and just dust everything the other day. In here I hot washed some really tiny baby clothes. You know, they were still a little bit stained, as you can see there. I'm going to get some vanish powder, but obviously as I'm in quarantine, I can't really leave for like bare essentials, so I'm not going to class like whitening powder as bare essential. But yeah, next I'm going to go and do the airing cupboard, this cupboard, but at the moment Dids needs to go down for his nap, so I'm just going to finish up in here and then put him down for a nap. Hi guys, so Dids has just woken up from his nap. I am a hot mess. I've just been cleaning the kitchen. Look who's here. No, you having some lunch? This little man is definitely teething. Obviously I've not done any updates since his like 11-month update, and obviously he's turned 1 now, and I've did like a little birthday vlog, but I've not done any more updates. But literally 3 weeks after he turned 1, he started walking. Didn't you? You started walking straight away. Off the TV remote. Yeah. And we're just having a little cheesy sandwich with some crisp pea puff things and some tomatoes. Yeah, cheese and Daddy's homemade chutney, isn't it? But yeah, it's I think it's like the ones down here, and he keeps waking up with bright red cheeks. He's so whingy. The whinginess could be down to obviously we're in quarantine and we're just not leaving. Not really doing much. We go for like try and go for like an hour-long walk every day just to get moving and get out of the house. We tend to do that just probably around 5 o'clock we like to go, so that we're home and then he can have some tea, bath and bed. It just really breaks up the day. But yeah, I think you're a bit fed up, aren't you, little man? Also, we gave him a little snack once, sat in this chair. My mum bought this like table set from IKEA. Like, look at his little toes. Like, he does not fit at all, but he's really steady on it. But yeah, he hardly goes in his high chair anymore because he wants to be in here. At the moment, I think Matt's left his sports stuff on the TV, but we don't really like him watching TV while eating, if you know what I mean. I think that's been a little bit different since we have been in quarantine. You know, our rules have kind of gone lax in a way. So I'm gonna go make myself a cheese sandwich because now I really fancy one. And if I eat these days, it is a miracle because I've just been really sick with this baby number 2. But whilst Dids is just eating in there, please ignore the state of my floor. I haven't got a mop at the minute, it broke. I'm gonna make another sandwich now. But I've literally, believe it or not, just taken everything off and scrubbed it. Literally our cupboards are full. So that's why there's so much clutter and I hate it. We've also got a lot of food here because Matt works in a restaurant, and as he's not there anymore, we've basically got a load of food. So our fridge is full, freezer's full, this is full. And I really want to go and get some baskets to organise this monstrosity, and I can't. Yeah, basically this is all sparkling clean, and we haven't been here very long, probably about 2 months. And when we moved in, I was pregnant, and I just didn't want to come into the kitchen because I just felt the kitchen smelt funny. So Matt's been in here, but I've not really. I remember when we first moved in, I scrubbed all the cupboards, and I completely must have missed all of this extraction bit, and it's just disgusting. Like, oh my god, the grease was dripping off it, and I don't know how I didn't realise. So anyway, that has been my mission today. Like now, after just doing Diddy's room, so I have just scrubbed it all down. I need to go over it again because it's all stained. Ugh, it's just gross. And I need to pop to Morrison's, but next, you know, I can't really do that until our next emergency kind of shop, because look at the state of the floor. Oh, I'm embarrassed to show you.
Doing the split. Whee! Careful. Careful. Oh god, those shoes. We can wash them. Come this way. Come this way. Like, I know you want to go on the slide. I know. You got any money? Oh, Diddy!
You need to come here.
This way.
Yeah, Diddy.
Oh, what'd you?
Diddy. Diddy, here. Here.
You lost the slide.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah, silly Billy.
Here we go. Here we go. Is that better? Look.
Careful. You keep doing this.
You ready?
Oh.
Ah.
Oh.
Does it smell nice?
Oh. Wibble wobble.
Look.
Oh. Where's it gone? What are you doing? Oh, where are you going? Oh. Thanks, Bobo. Ah.
What do you do?
Would you?
You smell nice.
You smell it? Will Mama smell it?
Mmm. Mmm. Go on there.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Matt goes to that side. Let them. Oh. What are you doing? You daddy cool? Hey? Oh, it's a Nino! Can you hear the Nino?
Hi guys! I think we're on week 3 now. Started to go a little bit stir crazy. Luckily the weather is beautiful. The reason I'm wearing my sunglasses inside, because the weather's been so beautiful. Hello? Oh, bye! He's been stealing our sunglasses, so we bought him his own. What are you doing? What do you look like? I honestly can't stop laughing. He literally, they've just come through the door. I've just put them on his head and he won't take them off. It's so funny. We just decided to buy him his own because whenever we go for a walk and he sees Matt's sunglasses, he's always taking them off and putting them on. So yeah, I literally ordered those yesterday on our walk about 5 o'clock and they've come first thing this morning, so that's really cool. Hi! Careful with those. Put them back on. Oh, we've become a bit addicted to the TV since being in lockdown, so that's fun. Oh, yeah, I'm just putting on a French nursery rhyme channel, which is called Toonies. I've mentioned it a few times. So at least I can say that it's educational. I literally can't take him seriously. Shh, 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 shh. Who's that? Is that Diddy? It's just been manic, leading up to this lockdown. Obviously, as I'm pregnant, my workplace wrote me off sick. They were like, you're not coming in because you're classed as a vulnerable person. Yeah, everything kind of went a bit mental and it went really fast as well. So luckily we're all safe. We've got a lovely house, so I'm feeling very lucky. We've even got a garden. So we're about to make a picnic, aren't we? And we're going to go and sit in the garden with our picnic because the weather's nice. Hey? Hello. Hiya. Hello. I think you're enjoying quarantine the most, aren't you? Because you just get to eat quarantine snacks, watch TV, and spend all the time with your daddy, don't you? Hey? So, yes, that's what we're going to do now. We're going to have a little picnic outside, enjoy the sunshine. Matt did a big shop just before we went into lockdown, and thank God he did, really, because obviously we luckily we live next to a Morrison's, so we can just walk over. But obviously if we're doing a big shop so that we don't have to come back every couple of days, we need the car to bring everything back because, you know, we just can't carry all the shopping. But I'll leave it here and then just show you little clips of our week really. Oh, and I'm getting locked out. Right, so I'll see you soon.